Good morning, Standard 8. We are going to start the new chapter, Salient Features of the Constitution. Salient Features of the Constitution, Part 2. And in this chapter, we are going to study about the directive principles. We'll be studying about the directive principle. Now, the first thing which you have to know, it's about the meaning of the directive principle. What is directive? What are directive principles? Now, directive principles are guidelines. They are guidelines, okay, or a direction to be followed by the government. That means directive principles, they are guidelines, and these guidelines should be followed by whom? The government in the governance of the country. Okay, so here directive principles are the guidelines which should be followed by the government in the governance of the country. This is directive principle. Now, these directive principles of state policy are mentioned in part 4 of the Constitution. Okay, these directive principles are mentioned in part 4 of the Constitution, and it is mentioned under the article 36 to 51. It means article 36 to 51 explains the directive principle which is mentioned under part 4. Okay, directive principles are not a substitute for laws of the country. They are called directive principles because the government has to take them into consideration while making law. Okay, so as you know, the laws, the government makes the laws, the parliament makes the law, and these laws are implemented by the government. So the government has to keep these directive principles in their mind before they make any law. So here, these principles contain lofty ideas, deep human thought, belief, and knowledge. And these principles, we do not find these principles in any other constitution except India and Ireland. It means India has taken these directive principles from which country's constitution? From Ireland constitution. Okay, so in this paragraph, you studied about the meaning of the directive principle, which part of the constitution contains the directive principle, under which article, and why these directive principles are mentioned. Okay, so here in the next topic, sources. What are the sources of directive principle? Okay, so at the time of drafting of the constitution, its framers were inspired with five important sources. Now, as I told you from where the idea of directive principle is taken, it is taken from Ireland constitution. So here you see the constitution of Irish Republic, which contains the principle of social policy for the guidance of legislature. So idea is taken from Irish constitution. Okay. The next we have Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen of Revolutionary France. Okay, revolutionary France, that time only when revolution took place France, that time only these directive principles there. So Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen of Revolutionary France. This is also one of the source. The next we have the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, some principles of directive principle. It explains the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. So that also became a source, that ideas of Mahatma Gandhi also is a part of directive principle. And the fact is that The directive principles also contain Gandhian principle and is sufficient proof that the idea of Mahatma Gandhi had influenced the framers of the constitution. The next you have Charter of Human Rights framed by the United Nations. Okay, so United Nations has framed the Charter of Human Rights. Some of the principles also are from here. So this Charter of Human Rights framed by the United Nations is also a part of our directive principle. The next you have the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the United Nations when the Constituent Assembly was deliberating over the Indian Constitution. Okay, Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the United Nations when Constituent Assembly was deliberating over the Indian Constitution. Deliberating means this human rights were forced on the Indian Constitution. Compulsory. Okay. So here you studied the sources, and in the sources you studied about the Irish Constitution, you studied about the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen of Revolutionary France, you studied about ideas of Mahatma Gandhi, then Charter of Human Rights framed by the United Nations, and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the United Nations with the Constituent Assembly was deliberating over the Indian Constitution. So you studied about the meaning of directive principle and sources of directive principle. So please learn this. Thank you.